Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mama Beach and I'm here today to do a very quick unboxing of a really exciting purchase. And if you guys have watched my channel for a while now, you know I've been talking about getting this item for a really long time, and I finally decided to pull the trigger. I'm so excited to unbox this with you guys. If you want to stay tuned at the end, I will share price with you, and I will also share kind of the backstory behind this bag, but I know a lot of people just want you to get straight to the unboxing, so that's what we're going to do. It came in this box from Neiman Marcus, and it is going to be my first Saint Laurent piece in my collection. I have a little tissue paper here. They sent it in the Saint Laurent box. So I was really excited to kind of experience this whole packaging experience, if you will, with the box and everything. So here it is. I'm gonna take the top off here. And inside you have one of these little silica packs and also the care booklet here, which is stamped made in Italy in the back, on the back. And the bag is inside of its little dust bag. Here's the big reveal. This is a Saint Laurent walk. And this is the smaller version. I wanted the smaller version because of the longer chain strap. I was worried with the bigger one. I think most people do get the bigger one because it has so much more space. But frankly, I'm a tall girl and I just didn't think that strap would work for me. So I sprang for the smaller option, and this is the perfect color combination that I wanted. I got it in the black pebbled leather with the gold hardware. I was looking everywhere for one of these on resale sites. And I finally just decided, what the heck, I'm gonna try getting it brand new. I don't normally treat myself like that. I normally pick up pre-owned bags, but I just kind of decided to go for it. And I almost got distracted at the end there. When I went to order this and put it in my cart, they had another one that was a metallic. I think it was called pewter. It was a really lovely metallic silver color that I also put in my cart, and I just decided to go with the classic because I figure I'm not gonna get tired of it. It'll go with everything. So it opens like so. There's a snap here. Let's take a look at the inside. They just have a little piece of, a couple little pieces of tissue in here. So you can see the inside is pretty simple. Just had some card slots. And then it has, I think this back piece here actually comes away from the bag, so you can put cash back here. And here is the tag. So the retail price on this bag is $1,350, and I think for the larger style it's $1,650. And let's check out this little zippered compartment here. Very nice. The whole interior of the bag is leather, which makes me really happy. I just feel like when you're going for such an expensive piece like this, to have the leather on the interior or some kind of like microfiber or suede really makes it feel a lot more luxurious. Let's take the wrapping off the chain strap so we can take a look at it together. And it's actually a really nice shiny gold, and it's really weighty, which I would expect for a bag of this price point. And the other reason I really liked this particular style is because you can remove the chain strap completely. So you can use it as a regular wallet, as a clutch. I feel like this just has tons of versatility. And it has a leather section on the strap, which the larger one does not. So it has a lot better comfort on the shoulder. So I'm really excited. I've been talking about adding one of these for a really, really long time. And the reason I decided to pull the trigger on a new one is because of a sale. So Neiman Marcus was having a sale where if you spend a certain amount, I think it was over $1,000, you get gift card. So I got a $300 gift card because of this purchase, which brought the price down to just over $1,000. And then I went through Rakuten cash back, which I will link below. It is the best, and I ended up getting 10% cash back as well. So after all the math was said and done, shipping was free, I had to pay tax, I ended up around $980 for this brand new. And there are ones on the resale market that go for that price used. And I was really looking, my budget was around $800. That was my bargain price. If I was able to find one in excellent condition for $800, I was ready to pull the trigger. But when I did the math on this and saw just for like $180 more, I could get it brand new, be the first one to use it, and know that it's been well taken care of, know that it's authentic because I bought it straight from Neiman Marcus. To have that peace of mind is kind of nice, so I decided to go for it. And I think because of how well these hold their value, when I do go to resell it in the future, if I even do, I won't lose much money at all on it because they just retain their value so well. So that is my tip from me to you. If you can shop for luxury pieces like this at department stores like Saks, Neiman Marcus, Nordstrom, you can get a sale price, but then also double down and get cash back from Rakuten, sometimes as high as 15 or 20% if you hit it at the right time, and you can save tons of money on high ticket items like this. So definitely consider that if you are wanting to add a piece like this to your collection. I am over the moon excited for this. I can't believe it's in my hot little hands, and I'm actually feeling it and looking at it in person for the first time. I am definitely going to be using this, and I will be doing a full review on my channel, going over pros, cons, mod shots, and all of that good stuff. So stay tuned for a future video on this little bag. As always, if you have requests for other videos, leave it below in the comment section. And if you have one of these and you want to leave some sort of review below so people can decide whether or not they want to purchase one for their collection, and also to give me a heads up if you've had a problem with this bag, or if you didn't like it, or if you really loved it, I would love to read your comments on this particular style from Saint Laurent. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching today. If you love unboxings, definitely make sure you subscribe. And if you love reviews, comparisons, anything to do with handbags and accessories, definitely subscribe to my channel because I put out tons of awesome videos on those topics. All right, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.